CEI, VKIN. These two, they keep popping up on my chart. I keep a close eye on them. 10/6/2021. They both had pretty good value moving, but they dropped to being pretty close to price matching. With CEI, I would say they're high to go November to February. You might be looking at the stock hitting $5. Right now, they're towards a low in October, but you could definitely see them rise up through. When you have temperance and patience, you look forward with VKIN 2022 to 2024. I think holding this stock on a 3-year hold, you can do pretty good going into 2024, 2025. See full fruition come out of this. With the merger, you could see many different things because of the subsidiaries involved, all the different companies. You could definitely see some pricing come out of this. With CEI and Viking, 10/7/2021, CEI jumped back up 87 cents. VKIN jumped up 30 cents. So as we look at 10/8/2021, will it reverse up? Will CEI do a small leverage tomorrow? Will VKIN do a bigger leverage? Will they come close to price matching again towards the $2.18 to $1.94? When you look at CEI, definitely have to think now that there's no split, and there's news on that there's no reverse stock split that has potentials for rebounds. With CEI, you can definitely look where they go through in October, so they definitely have that potential double back up, and they could do it pretty quickly. With CEI, if they double up and they can get over 4 and break through that 2, 3, 4 threshold, they could definitely be heading towards $5 come 2022 once you get through October and into November. VKIN, I can definitely see them towards the $3 mark in 2022. With VKIN, you can see where when you go through on a year graph, you can see where they spiked up in February. I would expect them to kind of build, level out, and probably shoot back up towards February again. I expect a couple more shoots up out of them by the end of the year. With VKIN, they're kind of in this valley, so now is probably the time to buy. Once they get up over $2, they probably won't come back down again. So this might be that last run up to $2 before they break that $2 threshold and then stay up above that. When you look at a 52-week range, they've hit at 378. So they could definitely get back to that $3 by 2022. When you look at assets, you have to look at subsidiaries, multiple states, gas fields in multiple states, Viking Energy, the carbon capture system, the merger agreement, the combination with CEI, magic number, reduced debt, CEI did as well, Viking reduced, that ups that cash reserve side. Make sure you're looking at Q2 2021 quarterly results for June 30th. Look at the release of the 10Q financials. Do your due diligence. Your money is your investment and your time. When you look at the state of Kansas and Viking, then you got TGR as well out there in Kansas. So you start to connect the dots for your own education. You look at subsidiaries, petroleum, Mid-Con drilling. These drilling companies that are linked with the oil and carbon capture that's going on right now. Viking Energy reduces debt back in 2020. Around October, Viking Energy reduces debt again. This was August 3rd, 2020. With Viking, you can see where they doubled on this day in 2020. It's all about mindset. When you go back through and start looking at the news, finances. You got to be your own judge, jury, and executioner on making sure you know your risk tolerance and your mindset. You have to do your due diligence. You have to further your education in stocks and continue to grow. And you have to do that daily and weekly and monthly and stay on top of that game so you know what these companies are all about and what they're doing, where they're heading. You have to look back sometimes, see the curve coming ahead, and try to play your best position with these companies. So I'm only responsible for what I say, not for what you understand. Remember, I'm a blue collar worker. I'm just here to pay DD forward, put some information out there for other people to go research more information on top of what I'm providing. Don't base everything off a YouTube channel. Make sure you do your research and continue to do that. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to pay it forward.